Hello guys, welcome to POV Driving. Today, as you can see, we're testing a big car. This is the brand new Land Rover Discovery. Not really sure what this color is called, but it's a very cool, like dark grayish. And yeah, this car is a tank. Look at this. We're here fueling it up. Here we have Victor.
Hey guys.
How you doing, Victor?
I'm great. What do you think about the Discovery?
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty big, right?
Yeah, it's pretty huge. Yeah, but I mean, it looks like a normal Discovery. I'm just gonna show our friends in the back seat because this is a 7-seater, right?
Yeah,
so
7-seater.
Guys, say hello to YouTube.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we have 7 seats in this car, right?
Oh, yeah.
Are you comfortable?
Incredible.
Sitting comfortably.
It's extremely comfortable.
We have a panoramic roof.
6'4" and a lot of legroom.
Let's get it. And what do we have an interior here, Victor? What is this?
It's a HSE luxury interior from Land Rover, as we know from the Range Rover autobiography, and yeah, just check it out. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, this looks like an autobiography, guys. Look at this.
I really like the wooden details as well. On the
Yeah, we have a wood, and it's real wood also. Not sure we have it. Oh yeah, we have it here too. Look, we have a Meridian sound system. But yeah, let's take it for a spin and see how it is. Jump in. Okay, let's take it for a spin, guys. POV Driving. Let's go. Can someone put on the GPS?
Of course.
I'm not really sure what road this is, but
Let's go right here.
let's go right.
Just follow the cars here. But yeah, this car feels really high up, no?
Yeah, I'm really above anything else in traffic. It's left here, right?
No?
No, right.
Follow the cars.
I feel above everything else in traffic right now.
So the car right now is in the highest setting. Here we have a control button, so we can lower it. Now it's normal height mode. But still, a very high car. Don't you think, Victor?
Yeah, it feels great in SUVs like these, going through city traffic. You just feel above everything and anything, and it's a great feeling because you sit very well and you see very well. It's great.
Yeah, we can see the Volkswagen Tiguan in front of us, and that's it's quite a big car, you know, and this just makes it look like a Golf.
Yeah, kind of looks like a Golf.
Yeah, it does. And this is also the diesel V6, so it has 258 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. So we have plenty of power throughout the rev range, and when you accelerate, the car just lifts up. It's a really cool experience. It really reminds us of the Range Rover autobiography, don't you think?
Yeah, really. Also from the driving feeling, the suspension that Jaguar Land Rover has put on this car is very comfortable. You can go over speed bumps in too high speeds and you won't feel it in this car, and that's a very comfortable feature. So it's a smooth ride, I would say.
Yeah, for the whole family.
It is.
Absolutely.
Don't you say, boys?
Oh yeah.
Back seat is incredible.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We also have like...
seats in the car.
What do you say?
Almost the best seats in the car.
Yeah, the back seats are really great, and this interior here is just flawless. You know, we also have these huge seats here with this cool arm extender. So, you know, you can sit like a true boss.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Yeah. So right now we're sitting here in Stockholm traffic. The perfect environment for the new Land Rover Discovery.
Yeah, that's because people that buy this car are going to drive through city traffic as well, and it's, as we said before, it's a very comfortable car to drive. Also in city traffic, it's very smooth. You feel the power that it has coming from torque, low RPMs in a diesel engine. It's just there when you need it, and that feels great.
Yeah, it reminds me also a bit about the same as the Cullinan, you know, like it just floats around, it feels very majestic, you know, you feel very secure and safe in the car. And I think that's also one of the highlights, you know.
Yeah. When we picked it up from Stockholm last week, we drove it down, and in Sweden there was like, it was snowing and it was windy and stormy, and you don't feel it in this car. You just drive through it. It doesn't get to you at all, and that's great.
Yeah, you're in your own environment in this car, you know. No matter what the hell happens outside. It can be a zombie, apocalypse or whatever it's called, and we will run them over.
Yeah.
So, you know,
This is really a...
if the world is gonna end, you need a car like this.
Yeah, a zombie apocalypse car.
Yeah, exactly.
Also, this car, in comparison to, for example, a Range Rover Autobiography, it's a very stealth kind of car, you know? It's a cool car, people look at you, but not like you're some idiot that bought a Range Rover. You're very sophisticated in this car. It gives you a good image.
Yeah, it's a sleeper car, you know. You don't really understand how luxurious and comfortable this is, you know. People think it's a Discovery, you know, like it's not supposed to be so nice as this, I think. My brother had a Discovery before, the older one, you know, and that felt like, you know, a real beaten up horse.
Yeah, but isn't the Discovery a car that has a large fan base ever since its beginning? For the first time they get a real nice car, both from the driving features and from the interior and the feeling all around.
We're going straight here?
Yeah, I'm just continuing straight.
Oh yeah, just continue straight this way.
Yeah, but it
Feels great. I think I'm gonna just lower the speed a bit and do an acceleration pull.
Yeah, put your foot down, see what happens.
Yeah, and it moves. You can feel it from the driver's position, how the front of the car lifts up and the back gets pushed down. It feels like almost it's rising up when you push the gas pedal, and that's a cool feeling.
So, do you know how much this car costs, Victor?
This car costs at about 1 million Swedish crowns, which is
Yeah, a bit less.
a bit less, but nearly 1 million Swedish crowns, and that's a lot of money, but you get a lot of car for it as well.
Yeah, you don't get a better family car than this, I think, with 7 seats.
No, it was really spacious for the 7-seater.
Spacious.
And I think that's the most important part. If you have a large soccer family and you want to take all the kids, I mean, you have space for all the kids and all the luggage, and yeah, you're still good to go.
That's great. And also the panoramic roof at the front and the back. It really makes the car, you know, like very spacious, and makes it feel very bright and light.
Yeah, exactly. You have also, from the very rear position of the car, you have a very great look up on what's happening, and you see everything from all the way back, and that's cool. You don't feel
We also have a newer multimedia system. Like everything is digital and very high quality. So
yeah, it looks.
they did not make a cheap computer.
Yeah, there has been a lot of things happening at Jaguar Land Rover. A lot of new cars coming, new designs, and we think they're on a great way to, yeah, something special. You know, the cars are getting better and better. It's a pleasure to be able to drive them, and ranging all the way from a supercharged V8 to a SD6 diesel engine. Everything is just top of the class quality, and it feels like
really competing with the German cars, definitely. And these cars have so much character and yeah, charisma. I think, you know, it's what makes them really special, and the heritage, you know, it's like, yeah, it's a bit like Rolls-Royce, you know, it's like British, you know, it's nice, it's luxurious. We got like wood on the interior.
It's been around for ages as well. Yeah. Tradition is
I think I know where we are now.
Yeah, we're on the highway. Moving towards Sollentuna. Nice. So that's a place in Stockholm. You can check it up if you want to.
I need to take this exit to right.
Yes, right here. Yeah. See if we can squeeze in between the cars here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Get him, get him, get him.
With this car, people move.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Put it in sports mode a little, see how it performs. So if I had to summarize the days that we got to drive the Discovery, then I think that there's one feeling that is on top or above every feeling else, and that's that we really want to have this car for a longer period of time. It's a very usable and simple and really cool car as well to drive around in, and it gives you a great feeling every time you walk to the car and you open up and you sit inside. It gives you a great feeling of car ownership, and it makes it easy for you. You can go anywhere you want. You can go off-road, you can go on-road. There's nothing in your way when you have a Land Rover Discovery, and combined with what's inside now and how it feels to sit in this car, it doesn't lose much to autobiography, you know, a Range Rover Sport. It's the same thing, and I think that's a great combination. And let's just take another walk around the car and summarize our time with it.
Yeah, to summarize it in my words, this is a really awesome car. It's really majestic. If you are a big boss, you should buy one of these. If you have a big family, you should buy one of these. If you just need a cool car to drive around with, you should buy one of these. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Victor here, he enjoyed driving it. I enjoyed filming it.
I have a last message. Like, comment, subscribe to POV Driving. There's more shit dropping, more videos dropping soon. Excuse the language. We're excited for you to see all these cars, and if you come to Sweden, be sure to write us a message on Instagram or anything.
And I'm just to say goodbye to our friends here, you know. If you like our friends in the videos, please. What the hell are you guys doing?
Hi guys!
fucking ready.
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.
This is POV Driving.
Like, subscribe, comment, give us some love, baby. See you guys next video.
Peace out.
Bang, bang, boom.